This is a coal burning steam locomotive that was built in May of 1931. It's a little 060 tank locomotive. And here's how they get water in the steam locomotive. Got it hooked up to a fire hydrant right here. That's a spanner wrench on top. That opens up the hydrant to let the water flow through the hose. And then that hose will obviously go over to the locomotive. And it's got a small, real small coal bunker right there behind the cab. And right now everybody's getting ready for the second run of the day. They're running 3 round trips today. Each trip takes about an hour. So they'll be getting on the train here in just a few minutes. They're running 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and then 3 p.m. today. Ah, but wait, there's more. Of course always is. Here they come. They only go about 3 1/4 miles, something like that. Then they stop and they go back the other way that they came from. So here they come. Here they come back northbound. And there they go. Let's go catch them again. Another crossing up here somewhere. A lot of traffic. Okay, there they are. Let's go catch them again. That was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Here's a pretty cool spot over here. Wonder why nobody films on this side. And there you go. That's their second round trip today. They got one more to run. It runs at 3 o'clock. That was pretty cool. Man, the shot that I got right before this one at that trestle, that was a hard place to get to. It was steep, weedy, extremely weedy. But I got it. Haven't seen anyone post any videos from there before. There'll be one now. That was the hardest place I ever got to film a train there. Thanks for watching, folks. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Watch another video. Every view really helps my channel. Keeps me running. Okay, we'll see you later. Salty's out.
You pick her up.
I hear her growling.
She's choking on this.
What
She's swallowing some.
are you doing, Chessie? Hi, Chessie. What are you doing?
Saw that.
That's what Chessie does. Her job is to have fun.
She's choking on it.
She's getting tired.
Choking on it too.